What's the correct pronunciation of this adjective? Intermediate or intermediate? How do you pronounce it? I am an intermediate student or I am an intermediate student. This is an upper intermediate class or this is an upper intermediate class? Hi there, it's Sorina from SuccessSync English. Let's dive into the pronunciation. This ending in adjectives is pronounced as considerate, desperate, passionate. She was very considerate of her friend's feelings and offered to help. He made a desperate attempt to catch the bus before it left. She's passionate about environmental conservation and volunteers regularly. But wait, what if you've heard people say intermediate? Are they wrong? No, they're just using the verb form. Here are some examples of adjectives that have the same verb form but different pronunciation. Adjectives and verbs. Intermediate, intermediate. Separate, separate. Duplicate, duplicate. Moderate, moderate. She is at an intermediate level in Spanish. They will intermediate the negotiation between the teams. They live in separate houses on the same street. Please separate the recyclables from the trash. They found a duplicate copy of the document. Please duplicate this report for the meeting. He follows a moderate diet to stay healthy. She will moderate the discussion during the conference. Now you know. And here's a tip. When in doubt, use a good online dictionary. Collins, for example, has handy notes that help you spot if a word is pronounced differently, depending on whether it's a verb, adjective, or even noun. Let's look up, for example, separate. The adjective is pronounced separate, and so is the noun. The verb is pronounced separate. I will leave you some good online dictionaries in the description, so you'll never have to second guess your pronunciation again.